Today, I'll show you how to add a fade to white transition between two clips. This transition is often used for flashbacks, dream sequences, or a clean and bright scene change. First, import your two clips into VN and place them side by side on the timeline. Between them, you'll notice a plus icon. Tap on it, and this will bring up the transitions menu. Now, head to the base section and select white. Instantly, a smooth fade to white effect will be applied between your videos. Next, let's adjust the speed of the transition. At the bottom, you'll see a duration slider. Drag it to the left if you want a quick fade, or drag it to the right for a slower, softer fade effect, and that's it. You've added a professional fade to white transition in VN Video Editor, perfect for creating elegant and cinematic scene changes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more VN Video Editor tips.